Bonjour, my name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io, and this week we are talking about Black Friday. That is correct, Friday 27th of November, it is Black Friday again. And now if you own a Shopify store and you don't participate in Black Friday, do you even really own a Shopify store then? So in this video, I'm going to go over to what some of my clients do in order to increase their revenue by 200-300% on that single day, and why Black Friday really is your Christmas as a merchant. Okay, so first and foremost, when I see merchants making 200-300 times their sales on one specific day, I realize there is a trend. And the trend is quite simply planning. These merchants have started planning Black Friday all the way since September, maybe even August. Because there is one very important thing that you can never ever forget about Black Friday. Most sales that you're going to be making on Black Friday are not to a cold audience. You're retargeting. These are people that already know you, that already subscribe to your list, and that are waiting for the day there is a solid promotion or reason to buy from you. And maybe you're like, well, wait, why do I have to focus on retargeting people? Well, in that case, you might want to check out this video right here that's going to explain how you can increase your revenue and why retargeting is important on your Shopify store. And if you want to look at it in a pretty basic way, what Black Friday basically is all the people throughout the year that showed interest in your product but were kind of like, I'm not sure. Well, on Friday the 27th of November, it will be your shot to finally close them and get their credit card and ship them your product. The best part is a lot of people subscribe to your newsletter expecting this. They probably even forgot about it in the meantime, but when they subscribed back in February, they were like, oh, I'll wait for a Black Friday deal. All this to say, Black Friday is real, so you better start retargeting people back to your store. But how do you really do this? Well, first of all, I recommend you look at Kurt Elsner's video about Black Friday last year, where he interviewed Ezra Firestone on his exact marketing plan for Black Friday. I think this is one of the best videos on the internet. It's grossly underrated. There's not enough views on it, and it's just a gold nugget chilling there. So go check that out after this video. But one of the points Ezra makes in that interview is that you want to be building anticipation. He saw that you saw a significant increase in sales if you start building anticipation for your sales. So instead of just sending an email on Black Friday saying, hey, there is a 50% discount today, you, because you're a smart marketer, you'll get that pun, you'll start emailing people a couple of days before Black Friday saying, hey, there's going to be a special secret Black Friday sale, sign up and opt in below. That way you're literally prepping your audience, being like, okay, get ready to buy, because you're gonna be spending some money and you're gonna be buying that product you always wanted to buy. And by building up that like envy, by building up that audience, you're gonna just convert way better. So building anticipation, check. Another thing that you should be doing on Black Friday is focus on one product. I know, you probably have 10, 15, 200 products in your store, but focus on that one product you know is going to make people click to your website. And if necessary, maybe even consider setting up that one product as a loss leader. What does that mean? Well, the loss leader is the famous example of the Costco chicken. Costco sells their chicken at $8 and it costs them $9 to have the chicken in their rack. So why does Costco lose $1 per chicken? Because they know you're gonna go to Costco for the chicken and you're gonna buy Coke, you're gonna be buying some charcoal, you're gonna be buying a cake, and you're going to be buying all of those things which more than make up for the $1 loss of the chicken. That chicken is called a loss leader. You want to consider building your Black Friday campaigns around such a loss leader, a product that you know is popular with your audience, and really give a very steep discount on Black Friday or Cyber Monday itself. That way you're going to attract a ton of people to your store. Now once they're in your store and they added that loss leader to the basket, that is your time to shine. Because it's now that as a merchant you need to start upselling and cross-selling them in order to make sure that your loss leader doesn't turn in just a plain old loss. If having a loss leader is not not really an option for you on Black Friday. You can also start doing gamifying, you know, spin the wheel and win something. That works well on Black Friday. Alternatively, you can bundle up products and give a discount on bundles. People like that as well. Or you can create your deals for a limited number of time, which pretty smart. Okay, so now we know who you need to target on Black Friday. We know how you target them and build anticipation, the importance of that. You know what you're going to exactly say, which products you're going to offer, which deals you're going to offer. So now let's talk about which medium you're going to use to attract them. I would definitely suggest as a #1 medium, email. Just send out emails. Sending out an email is inherently free. Now, people get a whole lot of emails on Black Friday. We know that as well. That is why you cannot, and listen to me on this, very important, you cannot feel bad about emailing your clients multiple times a day on Black Friday. Black Friday should be your email masterpiece. You should start sending email campaigns a week before Black Friday, where some of them you talk about your brands, but in other you build anticipation up until Black Friday. In other words, you're really telling some of your old customers, hey, remember me? You subscribed to me like ages ago. Remember me? Hey, I'm right here. Hey, hi. And then on Black Friday itself, and then the weekend of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you start pouring them in with discount emails. Seriously, 3 emails a day, perfectly fine. Just start blasting them with that one hero product or that bundle or that gamification we talked about earlier before. Now, Andrew, isn't 3 emails a day gonna piss them off? Don't they gonna not like me? Here's the thing. Everyone sends emails on Black Fridays. And most people use Gmail, so those emails don't even go into their main inbox. They go into the offer inbox. So you're not really bothering anyone. You're just playing the am I on top of the inbox when the person clicks on the offer inbox. If you are, they're likely to see you and maybe click on you if it's a compelling deal. If you only send 1 email in a day, chances are you're going to be buried in that offer inbox and they will just simply never see you offer. It's not that you don't have a good offer, it's that they will never see it. Alternatively, you could also consider running Facebook ads, Reddit ads, Instagram ads, etc. You know, all the classic. The issue is the cost of running those ads are a little bit higher because, you know, everyone's running those ads on those days. I would strongly advise against running cold audience ads, especially on Black Friday itself. The cost of the ads are going to be pretty high, and the chances that you're going to catch someone that never heard about you are not that great, except if you know your loss leader is such a killer deal and your audience is super targeted and you know these people are going to convert. That might be the exception to it. But Black Friday is definitely not the time of the year to try out a new Facebook audience. And you know what the beauty is? It doesn't even stop with Black Friday. So the week before Black Friday, around in a couple of days, you should start your pre-sale campaign building anticipation. Then you have Black Friday. Then you have Cyber Monday. Then you have an entire week where, you know, you start talking about, hey, do you have everything for the holidays? Early December, you start advertising your holiday deals, which are not necessarily your Black Friday deals. You still have options here. I believe it's around the 12th of December, but you should check on this, especially with the pandemic happening. There is the cutoff date for the last possible shipping so that it arrives on time by the 24th guaranteed. So you should definitely find that cutoff date, the cutoff shipping date for it to arrive in time for the holidays in your specific area or market, and you should advertise that, being like, hey, it's the last day today. If you want it under your Christmas tree, here's a discount. Because that is a huge day where you can drive revenue. And then if you think, well, now I must be done right, you're wrong. Because finally, you can do a New Year sale between Christmas and New Year's. And the fantastic part about this is ads are cheap on that day because a lot of people aren't advertising. And you know, you can see Ezra's video where he talks about how he does it, but I've heard multiple of my clients do this and they do make a lot of money on those days. So in short, from today until the 1st of January 2021, that sounds so good, bye-bye 2020, you are running a marketing marathon and you have to do everything you you can in order to increase that repeat purchase. Now here's one of the final tips I want to leave you to with Black Friday. If you do your job even somewhat well, and this is even for the small stores, you're going to see an increase in traffic to your store. After all, as we said, on Black Friday, people are literally walking around with their credit card in their hands looking to spend money. With that increased traffic comes the potential to harvest a whole lot of data. And if you're thinking, data what? Huh? How? Well, make sure to check out this video right here. It's going to explain everything you need to know about the data and how to do it correctly on your Shopify store. But especially for that increased traffic, you need to make sure your Google Analytic pixels and maybe even a heat map, such as Lucky Orange or Hotjar, there are two applications, have them installed on your store and you will see exactly how traffic funnels and moves throughout your store. This additional data is going to give you fantastic feedback on how your store is built, what works and doesn't work. And once this crazy marketing marathon is over, in January and February, you can start fixing the elements that didn't perform so well in your store, making sure that on the next sales season, you are ready to kick some. Well, that is it for my tips for Black Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe because it means the world to me. Check out the other videos that we made about strategy. Check out Kurt's video with Ezra Firestone. Thank you so much for watching this until the end. It means the world to me. Share this video with someone that needs to hear about Black Friday, and I will see you in another strategy video every Wednesday. Adios!